So I got these from Northern Parrots. They were a free gift. Then when I opened it up, there was only 2 pieces in there. So who do I decide to give the 2 pieces to? Because I have 6 parrots and they're all going to be staring. So let's decide. So there is the 2 pieces. I'm going to try and break it, so at least we have 4. No, it's totally unbreakable because it's if you break it, it just all goes into sort of crumbs. I've just tried. So let's go see who I'm going to give these to. So I think I'll see if Barney wants this. No. So Barney just chucked it, so I'll try another one. Rio? I didn't think it'd take Rio long. Would you like some? And now I feel bad about the others because they're all staring at me. Oh, I'm so mean. Hey, no. And especially Albert. He doesn't understand. So there's Rio. And there is Lola eating their little treat from Northern Parrots. But I think they should have more than 2 bits in next time. Well, next time, if I get free gift next time, I have to give it to one of the others. Barney didn't want it, so we have to try Albert. And we have to try Nora or Humphrey. These 2 are loving it. So I've took a little bit off of Rio. Rio's got the ump now. And I'm going to give it to Albert. Albert, do you want it? Because if Albert doesn't want it, then I'll give it back. But Rio's at half of it already. So we're sharing today. I feel mean. There you go. Rio's quite happy. He's got a piece of, it's like a kiddie's crisp, but it's broccoli, so it's not a crisp. It's a broccoli ring in the shape of a crisp. So he thinks he's being really naughty and got crisps. There's Albert. Lola's got hers. Baba.